Patriot campers. Now, this is probably one of the best trailers that money can buy or that quality could ever ask for. But Patriot campers are out of Australia, and they take off-roading legitimate and real serious out there. So this is just one of those rigs that, I would, again, I keep saying this, but tons of stuff out here that I would love to have because, I feel like there's all sorts of ways you're going to want to camp, right? Sometimes you want to be out there in a camper. Sometimes you want to be in a Class A, Class C. And sometimes you just want something like this where you can go biking, just like a quick little trip, right? Everything stays packed in the camper. And this even actually has a little extension out here where you can actually increase your or camp out in here, for example, right? It looks like it's got a rooftop tent, and that has a little kind of again, the name is escaping me here, but this section where you kind of go into the tent that's still out of the elements, right? So make that a little dining area or something like that. The owner's not here right now, so I'm not going to try to peek in there, but absolutely pretty cool. And Patriot campers, I want that in my life. All right, over here on the side, we've got what do we have here? It's a 5500 series Cummins Dodge Ram, and pretty big setup here. I mean, it's about as big as that Earth Roma that we saw, not as big as that first F550, that Adventure Mobile F550, but still a legitimate size rig here, and this is cool. I like this. They got a little awning out the back with a little patio, almost, so you can kind of sit up high off the ground and relax. Maybe you're at a concert, or hey, maybe even a drive-in, right? But this is actually pretty cool here. Yeah, this is nice. Very cool. I wonder where they got this box. It looks like, you know what? This actually just looks like, it says Morgan, a Morgan box. So I think this is just a regular box off of a regular box truck. Like, they didn't do anything ridiculous or crazy with this. It's just a box off of a medium duty truck or something like that. And they just took that and put that on top of here. So no zero flex or low flex subframe or zero torsion subframe at all. It's just sitting on this truck. So this is who they are. Overland Uncharted, if you want to look them up. But definitely a nice rig. These tires stick out quite a bit. Let's check this out, because these are some massive tires. So what are we running here? So they're Goodyear G275 MSA, and looks like they're 335 80/20s, so about the same size as that Earth Roma that we saw out there. So pretty massive setup here.